What up, food freaks? Welcome back to another daily episode of the Mukbang eating show. Today I'm gonna be eating persimmons. It's my first time trying persimmons. To me they look like a vegetable. This one's shaped kind of like an apple, but it has a little tomatoey filling on top. And this one right here looks straight up like a tomato. I know that tomatoes, I guess they could be classified as a fruit too. Or they are a fruit, I don't know. I don't know the story behind all that, but a lot of us consider tomatoes to be vegetables. This right here, it's actually a fruit. Let's cut it in half and see what's inside. What the? The skin feels a little bit thick. The inside doesn't feel that soft, but it feels decent. The small one, I already pre-cut it right there, but I haven't seen the inside, so let's check it out. Looks pretty much the same as the big one. I never had these before, and these are organic. By the way, this one right here is a HayChiya. I think that's how you pronounce it, HayChiya organic persimmon. And this one right here is a Fuyu Persimmon. Yup. Produce of USA. Nice. Here's the first one, the Fuyu. Let's try it out. Sweet. It's like a fruit. I've been having mandarins lately. It reminds me of little mandarins, but like if it wants to be an orange, but it just didn't quite make it. The skin is a little bit thick, crunchy, almost like an apple. It's edible. That's a good fruit. I'm not used to it. It's good. It's a yummy fruit. I can rock with these. Eating it raw. If you have it dehydrated, maybe you can make little persimmon candies. That's good though. Was the skin and everything. They're in season right now. Right in October, baby. You see these started popping up. If they already haven't, they should be there by now. Because we're in November. They're all over your markets. You don't see them all the time. There's a lot of nutrition in that skin. So you want to eat it too if you could. Very juicy. Not too juicy like a peach. Juicier than an apple. They're good. Fruits are amazing. Let's try this one right here. I need a sharper knife. Now for the big one. Almost like it's making my mouth feel dry. I like the little one a lot better. This one's not as sweet. That one's weird. It's like a weird layer building up in my mouth. I don't know if this is safe to eat. It's making my mouth feel weird. Like really weird. Like there's a glue building up inside or something. I don't know if I'm having an allergic reaction to this. I don't feel safe eating that one. But the little one, the Fuyus, if it's a Fuyu Persimmon, I highly recommend it. I didn't feel no reactions in my mouth, nothing. It was juicy, sweet, tasty like a fruit, just like you would expect. Yummy. This one, I don't know. I just had an instant like build up of something starting. It's crazy. I can't even explain it. But if you want to try these out, I recommend trying just the bite, see what happens if you like it. It's not as sweet as the other one. Just a small hint of sweetness. Maybe I didn't get it ripe enough. Maybe it's not ripe, and that's why all the sugars haven't had a time to build up, you know, to form. There you have it. My experience, my food review eating these for the first time, persimmons, and I got them organic. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated with our daily content. And until next time, catch you on the rebound, people. Peace.